Have you ever stared at a credit report with a sinking feeling in your gut? Numbers swimming, acronyms swirling, and your credit score looking like a dare from the financial gods? Fear not, fellow citizens of credit purgatory. Borrowell is here to be your knight in shining armor, offering free credit monitoring and a roadmap to financial redemption. But what if you get stuck along the way? Maybe you have a question about a specific product, or perhaps a transaction seems fishy. Here's the thing, Borrowell, being a champion of the digital age, doesn't offer traditional phone support. So, how do you reach these credit report Robin Hoods when you need them? Worry not, for that's exactly what we'll be tackling today. We'll be your guide through the Borrowell contact jungle, ensuring you get the help you need when you need it. First things first, Borrowell boasts a comprehensive help center, basically an online library overflowing with articles on just about any Borrowell-related topic imaginable. Stuck on how to improve your credit score? There's an article for that. Wondering how to dispute an error? Article City. The Help Center is your first stop for resolving common issues. Think of it like a choose-your-own-adventure book for credit concerns. But what if you've scoured every article and your question remains unanswered? Fear not, intrepid adventurer, for Borrowell offers a trusty contact form. Submit a request. Now, this isn't your average contact form. Think of it as a digital portal to Borrowell customer service nirvana. Here's how it works. You head over to the Borrowell website and navigate to the glorious land of Contact Us. Once there, you'll find a Submit a Request button, glowing like a beacon of hope. With a click, a form appears, eager to hear your woes. Here's the key, be clear and concise in your inquiry. The more details you provide, the faster a Borrowell representative can vanquish your financial quandaries. Now, for those who prefer a more email-centric approach, fret no more. Borrowell offers a trusty email address, info@borowell.com. Think of it as a digital hotline, operating 24/7 to receive your credit report cries for help. Just like the contact form, the key is to craft a clear and concise email. The more information you provide, the better equipped Borrowell is to send their digital cavalry to your rescue. Now, while Borrowell doesn't offer traditional phone support, there is a light at the end of the tunnel for those who crave the human touch. If your inquiry is related to disputing an error on your TransUnion credit report, Borrowell does provide phone numbers, how to dispute your credit report. Remember, these numbers are specifically for credit report disputes, so for any other inquiries, the Help Center, contact form, or email are your best bets. So there you have it, adventurers. A comprehensive guide to contacting Borrowell and getting the help you need to navigate the often murky waters of credit reports and financial well-being. Remember, knowledge is power, and with Borrowell's help, you can transform your credit report from a foe to a loyal financial companion. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.